Hello kids, today we will learn different shapes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. I am square. I am square. I am circle. I am circle. I am pentagon. I am pentagon. I am rectangle. I am rectangle. I am triangle. I am triangle. I am right triangle. I am right triangle. I am heart. I am heart. I am heptagon. I am heptagon. I am oval. I am oval. I am hexagon. I am hexagon. I am star. I am star. I am trapezoid. I am trapezoid. I am crescent. I am crescent. I am rhombus. I am rhombus. I am diamond. I am diamond. I am semicircle. I am semicircle. Thanks for my watching videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.